Imagine standing amidst the towering skyscrapers of a bustling metropolis. The air hums with the incessant roar of traffic, the cacophony of construction, and the distant sirens wailing. This is the soundtrack of modern life, a constant barrage of noise that has become an inescapable part of our urban existence. Now picture yourself in the heart of a pristine forest. The air is alive with the gentle rustling of leaves, the melodious chirping of birds, and the soothing murmur of a nearby stream. This is the sound of nature, a harmonious symphony that has lulled and inspired humanity for millennia. These contrasting soundscapes highlight a pervasive, yet often overlooked form of noise pollution. Unlike its visible counterparts like air and water pollution, noise pollution is an invisible threat that subtly yet significantly impacts our world. Noise pollution is not merely an annoyance, it is a serious environmental hazard with far-reaching consequences for human health, wildlife, and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. From the roar of airplanes overhead to the constant hum of appliances in our homes, we are surrounded by a constant din that disrupts the natural acoustic environment. This essay delves into the often ignored issue of noise pollution, exploring its sources, its impact, and the steps we can take to create a quieter, healthier world. Join us as we unravel the science behind sound and uncover the hidden costs of our increasingly noisy world. Noise pollution stems from a wide array of sources, both natural and human-made. Natural sources such as thunder, animal calls, and volcanic eruptions are typically transient and have been part of our planet's acoustic environment for millennia. Human-generated noise, on the other hand, has increased dramatically in recent decades, becoming a pervasive and persistent problem. Let's examine some of the primary culprits behind this acoustic assault. Transportation systems are among the biggest contributors to noise pollution, particularly in urban areas. The constant flow of cars, trucks, buses, and motorcycles creates a symphony of engine noise, honking horns, and tire squeals. Air travel also plays a significant role, with the roar of aircraft engines during takeoff and landing disrupting communities near airports. Construction activities are another major source of noise pollution. Beyond these, industrial activities such as manufacturing, mining, and energy production often generate high levels of noise that can impact both workers and nearby residents. Even our homes and leisure activities are not immune to noise pollution. Loud music, television, video games, and appliances all contribute to the cacophony of modern life. Understanding the sources of noise pollution is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate its impact and create a more peaceful and harmonious world. While noise pollution may not be as tangible as smog or contaminated water, its effects are measurable and significant. The intensity of sound, and therefore noise pollution, is measured in decibels. The decibel scale is logarithmic, meaning that an increase of 10 decibels represents a tenfold increase in sound intensity. To put this in perspective, a whisper measures around 30 decibels, a normal conversation hovers around 60 decibels, and a rock concert can reach a deafening 120 decibels. Prolonged exposure to noise levels above 70 decibels can lead to hearing damage, while sounds above 85 decibels are considered harmful to human health. To monitor and regulate noise pollution, scientists and environmental agencies use sophisticated equipment to measure sound levels in various environments. These measurements help identify areas with excessive noise levels and inform policies aimed at reducing noise pollution. Understanding the decibel scale and the tools used to measure noise pollution allows us to quantify this invisible threat and assess its potential impact on human health and the environment. By monitoring noise levels and implementing appropriate regulations, we can strive to create healthier and more harmonious soundscapes for all. The impact of noise pollution on human health extends far beyond just hearing loss. While prolonged exposure to loud noises can undoubtedly damage the delicate structures of the inner ear, leading to hearing impairment, tinnitus, and other auditory problems, noise pollution's insidious effects reach deeper, affecting our physical and mental well-being in profound ways. Studies have linked chronic noise exposure to a range of cardiovascular problems, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. The constant bombardment of noise triggers our bodies to release stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which over time can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Moreover, noise pollution disrupts sleep patterns, leading to insomnia, fatigue, and reduced cognitive performance. The inability to find peace and quiet, especially during nighttime hours, prevents our bodies from fully resting and rejuvenating, compromising our physical and mental health. Beyond these physiological effects, noise pollution takes a toll on our mental well-being. The constant din of city life can lead to increased stress, anxiety, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Children in particular are susceptible to the adverse effects of noise pollution.